Sono,
Sir?
look at this design and paint it on the board, okay? The client is in a hurry. Don't be careless.
Sir, if you don't mind, can I give you a small idea?
What is it, man?
The boarding is at a very good place. Background is also sky blue. Design in blue color. Design will not good look there, sir.
Will you tell me about the colors? Will you teach me? Stupid. What do you know about the computer design, man? Huh? What is it? What are you looking at? Tell me. What do you know about the computer design?
Sir.
Come on, tell me.
I don't know about computer design, sir. But I know the color of drawing done by hand. That's why I am.
Is it? So you're explaining to me. What are you doing? Come and sit here. Design and show me. What are you looking at like this crazy? You can't do anything. You have to work according to me. Do you listen to me?
Sir, just listen to
Don't
me.
talk. Attender,
Yes, sir.
please send him out.
Sir, come on, let's go, sir. Let's go out, sir. Come
The
come
one
out.
who paints with the boxes, he's explained about the color to me. He's a big painter. He's showing an attitude to me.
Sonu! Why are you so sad? Any problem? Okay. Now we are going to an important place. Come. Come on, Sonu. Come, Sonu.
Why, Sonu? Are you surprised to know how your paintings came here? Shweta has arranged all this.
Dear ladies and gentlemen, our India's very famous artist Mr. Fernandez has come here. Today he going to talk about the painting of Sonu. Please come, sir.
Welcome. Because of my friend, Kumari Sweta had requested me to come as a special guest in this exhibition. So I have come here. Sonu, who makes such beautiful paints, can't talk. But this world will keep talking about his hearts. If Sweta hadn't called me here, it wouldn't have been able to look at the designs of Sonu. So I'm very lucky to come here. Mr. Sonu, please come.
Congratulations to the painter Sonu. Hey, Sonu photo has been published in the newspaper. There will be party to celebrate become All India artist.
This news came on TV in the morning, right? Brother, how to celebrate this happiness? Today I am seriously thinking about it.
What are you thinking, man? Whether we get happiness or sorrow, we will get in deeper bar. We can go and enjoy that, man.
Hey, today is Gandhi Jayanti, man. Bar will be closed.
Then we go Desi bar.
There is also a Gandhi Jayanti.
Shit. Gandhi Jayanti people even know about the Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, let's go to our own wine shop. Let's go, man.
Our own wine shop? Where is it, son?
Here's our wine shop. Enjoy. The problems in everyone's life, it can be only 2,000 or only 5,000, man. But Sonu was not afraid of them. For example, like this old monk. Like Sonu faces love with his painting only. And for this black label bottle, That also can be fine. Sonu, considering it a royal challenge, publish it on TV and paper today and proved it as a red label on this bottle. Okay? Sonu is standing in front of me as a Napoleon brand. Sonu, from today there will be no black night in your life because you are like a kingfisher, man. All of them. Cheers. Why, man? The golden eagle flying in joy, standing quietly like a winged bird. Huh? Sonu? Hey, the whole city is singing your praises. And why are you standing so sad?
I wanted to be a great artist since my childhood. When I came to city to get a job, I was given a job out of kindness. But no one recognized my talent and gave me a job. I'm not sad thinking that I'm an ordinary human being. But seeing the pictures I have made, I was waiting for a great person to praise me someday. And I thought that was happening to me. Totally all my dreams and goals have been fulfilled through Shweta. I can talk to Shweta, but I hide the truth. I even hide my love. I made a big mistake till now. But just for her help, there is only one word to say thanks to her, and I can't even say that. That's why my heart is aching. That's why I won't hide anything from Shweta. I will go and tell her the truth.
What is this? Shweta, what are you doing? You have thought it through, haven't you?
Yes, Auntie. I really love Sonu.
Look, dear Sweta, we want to talk to our neighbor while traveling alone. In a small journey, we need someone to talk to. How will you spend your whole time with that mute man?
Uncle, love doesn't just mean talking to each other. It's about understanding each other. You don't have to talk to him for me, Uncle.
Shweta, I know that you don't like my Vicky. But dear, it's wrong that you love Sonu. You have mercy on her.
If I had mercy on Sonu, I would have gone missing after helping him. You know, I don't know why I have become so attached to Sonu. Once, he lied to me about his college studies. That's a small lie. But within few days, he told me the truth. For that honest heart, I fall in love with him. When I came to know that I'm moving to America, that's when I realized the real intention of me towards Sonu. My love is so deep, Uncle. Vicky, love cannot be come by force, Vicky. I'm sorry. I hope you'll understand me.
No, Sweta. I am the one who said sorry. I know you don't like lies. I know it very well. Yet I lied. I pretend to be a good person. Do you know why? If you love me, I might be able to settle in America. But Sonu is not like that. There is a truth in his love. On your birthday, I came to know the meaning of the poem written by Sonu. If I had loved with all my heart, you would have loved me back too. But I have never loved you, Sweta. Only America. Only America.
Look, Vicky, if you love someone, you should trust them with your whole heart. I have a full faith in Sonu. He can never deceive me.
All the best, Sweta. Sweta, did you tell your feelings to Sonu?
No, Vicky. Actually, Sonu likes the night of Poonam very much. On that day, I'll express my love to Sonu. Get this, auntie. This is my dance program invitation. Just sending Lakshmi to my program is not enough. You should also come, auntie.
Mom, ask Kirti to reduce the volume on the TV. Come on, Shweta. Shweta, I'm giving you an advice. Don't take it wrongly. At least you should take the blessings of your dance teacher for this dance program today. You may think that it's wrong to touch your teacher's feet, but we are his students. We should respect them.
I respect the teacher, but if you want me to touch your feet, I don't believe that respect. If you tell me out of concern, I'll think about it. Just only for you. Don't talk about it now.
Okay. Oh, yes. That day you showed me Sonu. Was it love or compassion? I didn't understand. What was that? You have decided now?
I have already decided and told everything. Not just to my uncle. I also said to my parents who live in America.
What did you tell them?
The same thing that I should have told them.
What did you tell them? Tell me.
I told them I'm going to marry Sonu. That's what I told them.
Oh, you are feeling shy? The girl who never feels shy is feeling shy. Shweta auntie, the uncle whom we brought home yesterday, that uncle is coming on TV today. Hey, let's go.
Come, let's go. Looks like they're telecasting the Take It Easy program again.
Dumb or deaf?
This time I'll watch the whole program.
What? Am I dumb? In which language you want me to speak? Gujarati, Bengali. Which language you want? Tell me. Tell. Which language you want? Which language you want? Tell me. If you had told me earlier, this would not happen. No, I can speak. I can speak well. I can even sing.
Hey, Sweta.
Hi, Sweta.
Where is Sonu? Can Sonu speak? Tell me, can Sonu speak?
No. How he can talk? He's a dumb person.
I know everything. I have seen him talking on TV by myself.
Listen to me. I hide this from you because I...
Stop it.
He went to your house to tell the truth. Why he hide from you? He hasn't come back after going there. He searched everywhere. We don't know where he went. That's why we are trying to call him. But unfortunately, we couldn't reach him.
Oh my God, what?
Correct. Today is full moon day. Sonu will definitely be found near the sea temple.
Sonu. Why you did this to me, Sonu? Why you did me such a big betrayal? Huh? Do you really think that I don't know anything about your truth? You and that beggar turned out to be the same. You thought that I will treat you in the same way how I treated that beggar. How could you think that I'll treat you in that same way? Can't you see the difference between love and compassion? I have shown compassion to that beggar. But what I showed you was love. In my eyes, love is very pure thing. If you have told me the whole truth earlier itself means, then also my love would not be reduced. Because I love you, Sonu. It's absolutely true that I can't able to tolerate lies. So please don't lie to me anymore. Look, Sonu, Past is past. Do you really know that how much happy I feel when you're with me? If you had told me the truth earlier itself, I wouldn't have to face this day, Sonu. Let it go, Sonu. Let's forget what happened. Tell me, Sonu. Talk to me, Sonu. I want to hear you say I love you to me, Sonu. Talk to me, Sonu, please.
Look, Sonu. Sweta is asking to talk to you. Talk, man. Sweta, come to our home and looking for you, man. Why are you pretending now? You can talk to her. Come on, man, please. Just talk.
Shweta is asking you, man. Just talk to her, man.
Doctor?
One minute.
Please, doctor, I beg you, please. Please, doctor, I beg you, please.
No, nonsense. Do you think I'm a doctor or a butcher?
Please, doctor, make me dumb. I don't want to speak anymore.
Shut
Please.
up! Shut up, I say! What do you think of a doctor? I cure the people who come here. I don't make them sick.
I'm too sick, doctor. I'm sick. Speaking is my sickness. Please, doctor, I beg you, please. Please, make me dumb, doctor. Please.
Don't be foolish. Should I go to the jail by making you dumb?
Doctor, you're afraid to going to jail. But I am afraid of my love, doctor. I can't betray my love anymore. I can kill myself, doctor. I can kill myself. Just wait and see.
Hey, Sonu! Please come. I want to talk to you. Sonu, I have got an idea. For a few days you stay with us. I will show you all that I have done, the treatment I will do. After a few days, you tell Sweta that because of my treatment you have started speaking. In this way you will not need to lose your voice or need not to lose your love. What do you say?
Doctor, lot of girls thought I was an illiterate villager and used to make fun of me. Mostly everyone used to do that only. Only Shweta considered me as a human and was dreaming of living with me. I can't lie to such a girl, doctor.
Fool! What will you do if she finds out the truth and leaves you, man? Huh? Don't lose your voice for your love in a hurry, man. Please.
Doctor, I'm not doing this for my selfishness. She has trusted me a lot. I have betrayed her and that's why I am repenting my sins, doctor. Please understand me. I'm repenting.
Okay. One time. Can I talk to Sweta once for your love, man?
No, doctor. If you talk to her, she will understand my words and come to me. That will happen. I don't want love and compassion, doctor. I don't want to deceive her anymore, doctor, please. I want her selfless love, doctor. I want her selfless love.
Sonu, is she that good? Sonu, I'm not saying this as a doctor but as a friend. A doctor can give back the lost ties. He can also give a heartbeat and the life to a man. If the kidney is damaged, he can change it. Moreover, he can make the brain work, okay? But the most precious thing in the world is the tongue. It is boon given by the God. Once it is gone, no doctor can give it back, man. No doctor can give it back. Because science has never been so developed. So tell me, Sonu, do you want a tongue or love?
Doctor.
You don't have to answer right now, okay? few seconds for me. Think for few seconds, please. Please.
I need love, doctor, not a tongue to talk.
I'll do the operation.
Doctor,
Many people have died for love in this world, man. You have been poisoned. You have been killed under a train. The pain of hanging people in 15 minutes. The pain of those who drink poison. The pain of those who die for love is a very little bit. But I see a lover like you who has suffered for love all his life is standing before me. You are great. I understood, Sonu. Next time full moon day, your love will come to you and sake for your love. I am very proud of you. If her love is true, I will do the operation.
doctor.
Sir, your operation is at 8:30. Don't eat anything before that. Everything is ready for the operation, sir. Doctor asked you to change the clothes.
Sister, shall I go now?
Yes. Why?
Can we talk after 5 minutes? Mom. I love you, Shweta. I love you. I love you, Shweta. I love you, Shweta.
Sir, shall we go to the operation theatre?
Sister, this doctor has gone mad. While preparing for the operation, a girl named Shweta called and he suddenly said to cancel the operation. Where is the order letter? Will you help me with that?
Doctor, you have betrayed me, haven't you? You have betrayed me, haven't you? Doctor, you have betrayed me, right?
Sonu, what I did was for your own good. I'm a doctor.
Hey! You cut your body and look at its parts. How can you see the love hidden in the heart? People like you think love is a very good joke. That's why you can't understand my love, doctor.
Me? I can't betray my duty, Sonu.
Doctor, the way you can't betray your duty, like I can't betray my love, doctor. I can't do that. I can't do that. I can't do that anymore. Ah!
Leave them alone. Love is pure. It makes even the worst people good. In this whole world, the people who loves for time pass, but the true love like him. Sonu has proved that love is purest thing in the world. We'll all live for his selfishness. We should be very proud of Sonu, you know. He has a great love in him. He should be very happy. They both should be very, very happy.